Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best car scratch removers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the TriNova Scratch Swirl Remover. TriNova 43504733923 really rolls off the tongue, doesn't it? Namely, the people behind it doesn't offer you anything out of the ordinary. It is simply one of the most effective car compounds on the market today. What's more, it is also one of the more efficient products. Though it isn't all that cheap, you won't need more than a couple of dime-sized drops to treat a really sizable area. It makes practically any light scratch and blemish disappear. That being said, we would recommend you apply the solution carefully and rigorously. Otherwise, it might not be able to hide the imperfection. On the bright side, the product's advanced formula is so potent that it doesn't just hide the scratches, swirls, water spots, and anything in between, but also create an invisible but effective barrier that protects the car's surface from the elements. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Carfidant Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover. Dubbing your product the ultimate car scratch remover is easy to do, but to actually deliver on the premise is a whole different story. Having said that, this formulated compound does come pretty close to it. It doesn't necessarily do or offer anything we haven't seen before. The product just does its job, and it does it really well. With it, you will be able to remove and practically erase years of wear and tear. The people behind it also claim that the formula is perfectly capable of restoring the gloss and shine of your paint and bringing it back to its original brilliance. But whether or not it will be able to bring that gloss back will depend on multiple factors, so we wouldn't necessarily count on it. At number 3, we have the Chemical Guys VSS One-Step Scratch and Swirl Remover. Chemical Guys COM_129_16 is pretty great, and there are a few reasons why that's the case. First and foremost, the bottle is really cost-effective. Its price tag is very similar to every other product here, but the bottle contains twice the amount of solution, making it twice more affordable than your average scratch remover. However, it is just as, if not more, effective as these removers. With it, you'll be able to remove virtually any moderate and some heavy surface imperfections, from your everyday swirls to serious scratches, water spots, and oxidation marks. After removing these imperfections, the formula creates a wet mirror finish on all painted surfaces. At number 2, we have the QUWEI Car Paint Scratching Glass Stain Remover. What QUWEI presents here isn't a scratch remover, but a full-blown car scratch remover kit. In addition to the liquid solution bottle, the company supplies you with a brush, flannelette, and a towel. Every one of these little tools will prove helpful and more or less suitable for different scratches, swirls, and other blemishes. The only problem we have with the package, in general, is that it doesn't include step-by-step instructions. A shame considering how otherwise comprehensive and complete it is. We can't say that the formula doesn't make up for it though. More specifically, the fact that you can use the formula by hand. You won't need an orbital polisher or any other polishing machine. And finally, at number 1, we have the 3M Scratch Remover. 3M 39044 isn't a bad product. That's why we have included it in here in the first place. Now, there are reasons as to why it occupies the last spot on our list. First, the price relative to volume isn't bad, but it isn't great either. Second, you'll probably have to reapply the solution after washing the car for a couple of times. These issues aside, the product should be able to deliver nearly professional results at a practically economy rate. With it, you'll be able to remove and fix different coarse-to-fine scratches, swirl marks, or paint imperfections with next to no effort. On top of that, the remover will help you with scuffs, oxidation, tree and shrub branch streaks, and just about any other surface contaminant. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.